All right, we're out here cutting soybeans tonight. Grandpa's been rolling all day. I had a bunch of other stuff I had to get done, so I just got out here. Our plan is to fill the rest of the truck up tonight, and then first thing in the morning, we'll get the grain cart over here and take that truck to town while the dew's burning off the beans. Making good progress over in this county line farm. We got, one more combine load and this truck will be full. We'll take it to town first thing in the morning. All right, it's about 9 o'clock. We're shutting her down. Grandpa's gonna get the truck tarped up, and then we're gonna shut her down for the night. Grandpa's dumping one more load to grain cart. I'm gonna take this down to the semi. We're on these back 210s of the county line farm, so we can't get the semi anywhere close to back here. So I gotta go down across the creek and around. So I'm gonna keep grain carting while he's cutting. Anyway, there he goes. He woke up this morning and got the grain cart over here to this farm and got diesel fuel in the combine. And then we took the semi to town, and now we're over here. All right. I was listening to the Chiefs game. I just got back, got that load dumped into the truck. I'm gonna shut her off and wait for Grandpa to get her filled back up. And then I'll take her down and dump her again. We got this 10-acre field. It's about done. I think we'll finish it pretty soon. And then there's another 10 over there on the other side of that grass. And then we're knocking the acres out. We got that 78 acres, which is the north half of this field. That's all, or the north half of the farm. That's all done. So we just got that field that we planted till 10:30 on that one video, and then the field that was corn 2 years ago, and then everything that's Grandpa's place, and then we're done for the year. So about 220 acres left probably. We just got, we aren't filling this all the way. We just got 2 or 3 combine loads in there. That grain cart's too big for this tractor to be pulling it full. So we just fill it, not all the way. Anyway, the south field's done. So Grandpa's going across the grass to open up that north one up here. It's a little smaller than this one. All right, there's Grandpa. We got those 2 back 10-acre fields done. He can't fit through that gate that I can. So he's got to go all the way around, and then we got some beans over there to do. Got to finish up this field. Got everything on the grain cart. I'm gonna go dump it in the semi. I have to come back and get his pickup and drive it up to the semi for him. So I'm taking it pretty slow. I got a decent load in here. All right, I'm gonna park this for the night. I gotta get home. I got some stuff to do. Grandpa's just got a little tiny bit over there, less than a combine load. You can see he's working on it. But I'm done running grain cart for the night, so I'm gonna shut her off and get heading home. I gotta do chores for a buddy of mine who raises sheep. Never a dull moment. All right, this video has been extremely scattered. I mean, no different than the usual, I guess. I just got so much stuff going on, it's kind of hard to remember to film everything that goes on and to make it interesting if I film too much. Anyway, so a little bit of a jumpy video, but another bean harvest video. Hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching. Catch you in the next one.